What's up, y'all? It's your boy Underlaidkey, back with another unboxing video. As you can see, from Walmart.com. Holla at the Walmart. You feel me? I'm not sponsored for this product right here, but you know, I'm gonna just unbox it for y'all so y'all can see. But yeah, you look at the knife. It's so rainbow, so glorious, so beautiful. Sure, if a girl want this, you can't have it. It's mine. But let's do this unboxing though. So I've been hearing a lot of things about this Apple AirPods Pro. Now, I'm gonna check it out. You know, I like it though, but so this is the AirPods Pro, Apple, with, stop moving it, boy. Put it like this. Apple,
sit down.
No, Apple AirPod Pro with wireless charger.
What?
Case. Whatever the other stuff is. I know it charges up for 4.5 hours. So these AirPods Pro come with a large earbud, medium earbud, and a small earbud. So it's not bad, you know. It sound that cuts out the noises. AirPods Pro are the only in-ear headphones with active noise cancel that continues adapts to the geometry of your ear and the fit of the ear clip tips, blocking out the world so you can focus on what you listen to. So that's not bad, you know, just a little, you know, you can hear the music, cancel everybody out there. It's really good. And I got these boys at Walmart at a good price at 231 some cents. You know, usually at BestBuy or Apple.com it's like 249.00, so that's plus tax, that's $250 you try to pick up, like $250 whatever, or $260 if you get Apple Care protection. That's, you know, you looking like $260 right there. So I don't really know about it, so I'm not gonna, you know, protection on it, cause they will lie to you. You pay like every yearly for the protection on the product. So that's why I not get it. It looked good to me. Good box, charger, everything brand new, seal. It's my first time gonna have these kind of AirPods. It's crazy though. So more than 24 hours of listening time with multiple addiction charges in the case. So that's really good. Up to 4.5 hours of listening time on one charge. Around 1 hour of listening time on only 5 minutes of charging. That's crazy, man. And when you first get it, you know, I'm gonna tell everybody. I'm gonna say this. The only thing everybody really notice that when you first get a new iPhone, when you first get a new phone, laptop, or tablet, or AirPods, just anything you get like that, you always want to fully charge it. Like, you can take out the box, everything, or unbox, whatever you want to do. But you always want to do, when you first get it, charge it up fully. Don't play with it, just charge it up and let it charge up by itself. You can overcharge it up, so make sure you fully good with the product or with the item you got. Because if you unbox it, then you start playing with it, then set it up, you want to stay to that, and you try to charge it up, you're going to die more faster. You're going to say, well, oh, it sucks, You need to always charge it up the product. Like example, I'm going to show you right now. All right. Let me just take it out so you can hear it. Find it. So. Sorry for sniffing, y'all. Just allergies. designed by Apple in California. Of course, everything's made in California, but mostly the stuff is made in China. You got the instruction. So, AirPods Pro, They give you instruction on how to use everything. Let's put this back in there. That puts on the side. Boom. Here comes the AirPods. If I take it out, ugh. It's so small. What the? Why so small? And I always want to know when you first get, like, when you get the first phone or a laptop or anything like that, it already have juice in it. So back in my mind, I keep thinking it have juice in it, but how long can it stay in the case if it's not unwrapped? How long can it stay in the case for that long? It could be a whole year, a 2 year. I don't know. I always want to ask the person, had they ever kept the phone in the case without opening? How long would it stay at that percent at that time? I don't know. It's crazy. That's what I'd be wondering the whole time. And I got the little charger come with it. Look like an iMac charger. Or it looked like an iMac charger. You can see right here. No, I mean not iMac charger. I mean like a MacBook charger, I should say. Because usually MacBook chargers have this kind of thing. And iPhone chargers, they usually have this right here. iPhone charger and an iPad charger. They look just like this. So I'm confused, like, this right for iPhones and a MacBook, like, which one is it? I'm confused right here, you feel me? So I don't really know what's the difference. I don't know, man. And get the get the little, the little earpiece you put on your earphone. You see, it's all wrapped right here. So it'll be my first time having these. So how you take it out? You slide it up. Oops, I don't know. Oh, okay, shoot. I don't get it. It said come with small, large, and medium. So this is large. If I look at it more close, this is large. This is small. That made no sense. But all this stuff will be in the description. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. I don't know about these AirPods, man. I don't really know. But this is unboxing. Like, subscribe, drop down a comment. What do you like about these AirPods Pro or about the oldest version of the AirPods? Y'all let me know what's the difference of it. Because I don't really know about these. I know I've been hearing a lot of people say, oh, they feel like your ear more easier. But it's good sounding, can cancel out the world. But I don't know. And Apple, change the color of these? Like, come on now. Because every time you get white cores, white get dirty easy. Okay? White get dirty very easy. Can we have like some different kind of cores is different color or something? Like, white get dirty very easy. Come on, man. Like, I probably go to Japan or China, make my own phone, customize it how I want, from scratch. So I know China or Japan, then they sell this stuff on the streets. You can make your own phone from scratch, like each part of it. That's what I was thinking about doing. But like I was saying, like, subscribe. Hey, let's do this. I'm out of here. Underlaidkey.